Hello, in this video we will be looking at how to sell on Etsy as a complete beginner in 2023. So I'll be showing you step by step how to create a seller's account on Etsy. The first thing you want to do once on Etsy.com, you're going to simply scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and from here you're going to tap on Sell on Etsy. Once you have done that, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you can simply scroll down and you can read more about Etsy. So you can scroll down and you can see right here, they have a 20-cent listing fee. Listings are active for 4 months or until they sell. And they also have a 6.5% transaction fee and PayPal fee. And you can see 15% off-site ads fee. So you can scroll down and you can read more about Etsy, as you can see right here. I would recommend that you do that before signing up. After you have done all of that and it is to your liking, you will simply tap on Get Started. Now you can sign in with your Gmail account or you can continue with your Facebook account. So for this example, I'll simply continue with my Gmail account, as that's the quickest option. Once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to this page, as you can see right here. So now all you have to do is tap on Get Started again. And you can see, let's do this. We'll simply tap on that. Then what brings you to Etsy? I'm just starting to sell for the first time ever. You can simply tap on that, any one of the questions that suits you. Or if you want to expand your online business, you could select that. Then you'll tap on Next. After you have done that, you can see, is there anything you would like help with? So you can scroll down and you can select any one of these options that you would like help with. But if you don't want any help with any of these, you could simply tap on Skip this question. Then you'll tap on Start Your Shop. And once you have selected Start Your Shop, you will be redirected to this page and you can select the shop language. So I'll select English. So after you have selected shop language, you will simply tap on shop country. And from here, you can scroll down and select your particular country that you'd like to use. Then you'll see shop currency and you can leave it as is. Then you'll tap on Save and Continue. After you have done that, you will see enter the name of your shop. So you can enter the name that you would like your shop to have. So for this example, I'll type in Simple Answers. Then tap on Save and Continue. Don't sweat it. You can save draft. We'll find sellers between 4 to 20 characters. No special characters, no space. Okay, so let me remove the space. Looks like Simple Answers is already taken. Okay, tap on Save and Continue. Then we are going to be prompted right here to create a listing, add some photos and details about your item, fill out what you can for now, and you'll be able to edit this later. So from here, if you have a particular product that you have in mind that you want to sell, you could fill it out. You could enter it right here. So you could upload the photos or so on. And by the way, if you are planning to create different digital products to sell on Etsy, I would definitely recommend that you give Canva a try, as you can sign up to Canva for completely free, and with it you'll be able to create digital planners and numerous other stuff that you'll be able to sell on Etsy and start making money. But if you have other products in mind, you can quickly upload them right here. And after you're finished uploading it, you can also upload videos, as you can see right here. And you can scroll down and add your listing details. So you can see right here who made it, what it is, and all the good stuff. You can add a good description and all of that. You'll have to fill out all of this information. And once you have filled out all of this information, you can set your price. And you can also add variants if you have variants right there. And you can simply scroll down and you can also add delivery. And once you are finished, you'll tap on save and continue. And after entering save and continue, your listing will be finally up. But because I don't have a product at the moment, I'll have to create one in Canva. Then you'll see how you'll get paid. You could enter your PayPal information. Then you'll set up billing and also your shop security, as you can see here. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to start selling on Etsy as a complete beginner. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.